It's a top 10 Enchant Aquarium. It's 3.5 US gallons, and it comes with the filter and an LED hood. I was going to buy it, and I went in PetSmart today, and I'm one of their members where you punch in your phone number and they keep track of everything you buy. And but as a member, they gave you more than half off on this thing, and so they made it as cheap as dirt. And so I picked it up because I'm going to raise some Mystery Snails. And that was the hood. This is the filter. This is the filter. I think I mentioned that a minute ago. And here's the tank. I never have been a big fan of the plastic tanks, but for the price you couldn't beat it. And what I'm planning on using it for, I'm going to put some Mystery Snails in. I guess that powers your pump. Now here's your instruction manual. And I keep losing stuff on the floor. And also here's your instruction manual. Okay, before I do this, I'm going to go ahead and put my gravel in it so I'll get that out of the way. Hold on a second while I run. Okay, I was at the Dollar Tree earlier, and they had these bags of gravel. There's some seashells. And here's some gravel. And they didn't have no brown, so I got black and white. I don't particularly like it. But for the money, now I'll tell you, I'm going to stop the camera a minute. I'm going to rinse this gravel off because it's real dusty. I'll be right back. Alright, I went there and rinsed off the gravel and the seashells I bought. And it only took 2 bags of gravel. And I don't particularly like the black and white, but it didn't have any brown at Dollar Tree. Now this is the filter, and I did read the instructions on it. It fits right here. There's a little lip it clips to. And then the instructions also said wash these 2 little filters, and I did that. Then we'll stick it on here with a little tab up top where you can remove them easy. Okay. They fit in a little groove there themselves. I'm not ready to plug it up yet. I'm going to go ahead and add some water to it. And this will take me a few trips with this, so I'll be right back. Alright, I have the water up to what appears to be the right level. Now, I'm going to pour a little water in this filter back here. plug it up and see how it works. It appears to be working pretty good. Now, I'm going to put this lid on it. And plug it up. That looks pretty good. That's a pretty good looking little aquarium to me. But, hold on, I got one more thing. Now, when I bought the aquarium, I went and bought me some little comets to go in it. I had some water purification drops around here, but seems I lost them somewhere. And do a great job putting a rubber band on this plastic bag. There we go. But these just little comets go in there. Hope they survive without water. Okay, I just put my top on there. And I'm going to carry it up close, take a look at it. Hold on just 1 second. Here it is right here. See them fishies? Now go up to the top, the lid will open so you can feed your fish, put them in there, change your filters, whatever you want to do. Now, what I don't like is the lid is not hinged. So you gotta have a place to set it. And this cord, you have to make sure it's around back before you put the lid back down. But, and I understand, I'm going to try and change the color of the lights. It just went red, just went white, that's back to red, that's that original color. That's pretty neat. Okay, well, that's that little aquarium. I got the entire setup, including the fish, wasn't but $17 and some change. And I really didn't buy it for the fish. I bought it for Mystery Snails. But I figured I'd put me some little fish in there anyhow. Okay. I hope this unboxing video is valuable to you. That I got this at PetSmart on sale, but I got a they call it a treat account when you got your phone, put your phone number in the cash register, and they keep track of everything you're buying on. You need one of those, you're gonna get these discounts. Okay. All right. Have a great day.